Welcome. If you've ever found yourself needing a little peace and quiet on Discord, or maybe you just want to avoid seeing messages from a certain user without blocking them completely, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to ignore someone on Discord mobile with the latest steps, so you can take control of your chat experience quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the chat or server where you've encountered the user you'd like to ignore. Next, tap on the user's name. You can do this from the chat list, or by finding them in the member list of a server. Tapping their name will open up their profile, giving you a few different options. Now, look for the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon usually represents more actions or settings related to that user. Go ahead and tap on it. From the menu that pops up, you'll see an option labeled Ignore. Tap on Ignore, and Discord will ask you to confirm your choice. This is just to make sure you really want to ignore messages from this user. Confirm your selection, and you're all set. Once you've ignored someone, their messages will be hidden from your view, and you won't receive notifications from them. It's a simple and effective way to keep your Discord experience positive and distraction-free, without having to block or unfriend anyone. If you ever change your mind, you can always go back and unignore the user by following the same steps. It's all about giving you flexibility and control over who you interact with. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Discord tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more, and happy chatting.